If you're looking for the best night's sleep of your life, then look no further. Rest More combines 19 essential herbs, vitamins, and minerals. It's the top sleep supplement on the market today. Rest More is healthy, natural, and available on Amazon Prime through buyrestmore.com. If great sleep is important to you, then try Rest More.
When you just can't sleep and you need more rest, try buyrestmore.com, yes. It helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. It gives your brain what it needs, yeah.
I've always had trouble sleeping at night. For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 Rest More, and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy. Check it out.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.
Hey rock stars, it's your girl Beth. I know that you guys are used to me coming at you with some reviews for different products, but this is actually something that I really want to more talk about. It's called Rest More. We all know that I am on the go all the time with kids, with my job, with different things I have going on in my social life. And when I come home and want to hit the pillow, I want to go to sleep, and I want to sleep sound. And that's what I get with Rest More. It mellows me out, chills me out, makes me super relaxed, and then I gradually go into a deep sleep faster than you would normally. And basically that creates for me a more intense deep sleep where I'm able to achieve a much better feeling when I wake up. It's not addictive. It just helps me create healthy sleep patterns. And that's what I need in my life, my crazy, chaotic life that I have. I know I use it. I know Adam and Sean use it, and we live by it because we're always on the go. So if you get a chance, give it a whirl. Look at the link below and try it out. Again, this is Beth with Rockstar Reviews. See you later.